Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change your language on Temu application. If you want to change your application's language settings for Temu, then the process is quite easy. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right away. First of all, open the Temu application on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your account. After signing into Temu, from the main home page, tap on the U button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the U option, tap on the gear button at the upper right hand corner and this will open up the settings menu. Click on language option. Select the language of your choice from the list and you will then be able to change your display language on Temu application. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.